the magic of making your own lip and cheek tint at home. This Glow Balm recipe gives you that effortless, just bitten flush, all while hydrating and nourishing your skin. Let's make this beauty essential together. Hi friends, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth, and today we're making the ultimate multi-use beauty balm, the Wineberry Glow Balm. This deep, rich burgundy shade is perfect for cheeks and lips, giving you an all-natural glow with zero toxins. Plus, it's packed with skin-loving ingredients that will hydrate while adding color. You're gonna love this one. At Simply Earth, we're all about making natural beauty simple and fun. With the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get all the key ingredients delivered to your door each month so that you can DIY with confidence. Plus, when you subscribe, you'll get our free big bonus box, stocked with essentials to help you kickstart your DIY journey. You can find everything you need for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Most commercial lip and cheek products are loaded with synthetic dyes, artificial fragrances, and preservatives that can irritate your skin. But when you make your own, you know exactly what's in it. Just pure, nourishing color that's safe and skin friendly. All right, let's get our box, gather our ingredients, and get started making this awesome recipe. Here's what you'll need for this recipe to come to life. From your recipe box, you'll need 1/2 teaspoon of our DIY mineral makeup base. This creates a smooth, even texture. You'll need 1/8 teaspoon of our fuchsia mica powder. This adds a beautiful berry pink undertone. 1 1/16 teaspoon of our red iron oxide. This deepens the color for a rich wine hue. From your big bonus box, you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. This keeps the balm silky and hydrating. You'll need 1 teaspoon of solid coconut oil. This moisturizes and nourishes the skin. 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax helps the balm hold its shape and glide on smoothly. Also from your recipe box, for your essential oils, you'll need 1 drop of Beauty Within. This is packed with skin-loving benefits. 1 drop of cedarwood Himalayan, a grounding scent with skincare perks. Last but not least, from your recipe box, you'll need your square cosmetic tin. This is perfect for storage. From your home, you'll want to grab a face mask to protect yourself from airborne powder particles. Let's mix it up. In a small bowl, mix the mineral makeup base, mica powder, and red iron oxide until fully blended with no clumps. Wear a face mask for this step to avoid inhaling any powders. Next, using a double boiler or a microwave, melt together the fractionated coconut oil, the solid coconut oil, and beeswax, stirring every 30 seconds. Once melted, add your essential oils and stir. Then, slowly blend in your pigment mixture until everything is evenly combined. Next, you're going to pour the mixture into your cosmetic tin and let it cool completely. If it thickens too quickly, reheat it slightly for a smooth pour. Here are some tips that will help you along the way. Invest in a tiny measuring spoon labeled smidge, pinch, and dash. These make DIY makeup super easy. You want to make sure everything blends a little more smoothly? Put your powders in a coffee grinder or using a mortar and pestle for a silky smooth result. Want a softer balm? Add a tiny bit more fractionated coconut oil for a creamier texture. Don't forget to label your balm so you always know what it is. Let's test it out. Dab a little onto your lips or cheeks and blend with your fingertips for a natural, buildable flush. It's lightweight, long wearing, and perfect for that effortless, no makeup look. This color is stunning. It's rich, creamy, and gives that perfect berry kiss glow. So natural and also so hydrating. See how easy that was? If I can make this Wineberry Glow Balm, you can too. DIY beauty is so much fun, and once you get started, you'll never go back to store-bought.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with #IMadeThis, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
If you love this, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box for more natural beauty recipes. Want more DIY beauty tips? Stick around and check out the next video. Thanks for watching.